You always ask me.
Play that shit, bro.
Alright, fine.
Know some young niggas I can hang. Do you know some young niggas I can hang? Fuck that nigga slave and that pussy stink. Every day drinking Kool-Aid. Made a light skin bitch my housemaid. Loitering with some chicken wings. Whip a slave, watch me whip a slave. If she leave the port, she go get hanged. Real. You know I got the tunes.
You crackers fucking all your brothers and sisters, yeah. You tried to kill your own mom, you need help. You shot the middle school up by yourself. You can't even season no meat, you need help. I know what'll make them crackers go crazy. I be running through they neighborhoods daily. Y'all be fucking monkeys cause y'all started HIV. They don't fuck with Jordans, they just wear Heelys.
Yeah, you already know.
I'm a slave god. I'm a slave god.
You know they picking cotton.
I'm a slave god. I'm a slave god. Woke up to niggas picking cotton.
Pick.
Woke up to niggas escaping.
Ha. Metro on that beat. These crackers don't know how to season chicken. That's why I don't trust them in the kitchen. I need me a snow bunny who gon' listen. Cause these black girls always fucking bitchin'.
Bro, you got some music on your phone sending it quiet ass call with your ass.
Yeah.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 niggas at my slave house. 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 I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 whips ready to whip you down. Ready to whip you down.
You got some music on your phone sitting in this quiet ass car with your ass. Shit.
What kind of question was that?
Rednecks, fuck them rednecks, fuck them rednecks, fuck them rednecks, yeah. Stink when wet, yeah they stink when wet. They fuck their kids and they fuck their pets. Yeehaw! Bad sauce,